Third question, first sub question. Listen here, some data are given. We want to find the required terms. First term is given, common difference is given, an is given. We want to find n and sn. So an is given. So let's start with an. An is obtained by a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an equal to 50, a is equal to 5 and d is equal to 3. So put all these values here, we get 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. Just open the bracket. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So 50 equal to 2 plus 3n. From here we can write 3n. What is 3n? Take this 2 to left side. So 50 minus 2. 50 minus 2 is 48. From here n obtained as 48 by 3, that is 16. N equal to 16. Now find Sn. Sn is obtained by using the result n by 2 into a plus an, because here an is given. Okay. Now what is S16? That is 16 by 2 into a, that is 5 plus a16. A16 is given, a16 is equal to 50. So S16 equal to 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50. That is 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50, 55. This gives 8 into 55. 8 into 55 gives 440. So S16 equal to 440. Now second sub question. Given first term is 7, A13, 13th term is 35. Find common difference and sum to 13 terms. Okay. So A13. Let's start with an. What is the formula for an? An is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here A13 is given, that is n equal to 13. So replace A13 equal to a, that is 7 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1, that is 12 into d. What is A13? 35. So 35 equal to 7 plus 12d, or 12d is equal to 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7 is 28. 12d equals 28, or d is equal to 28 by 12, that is 7 by 3. So common difference equal to 7 by 3. Now we have to find S13. So write the formula Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we want to find S13. That is n equal to 13. So this is 13 by 2 into 2 into a. That is 2 into 4. 2 into 7. 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1, that is 12 into d. D is 7 by 3. This gives 13 by 2 into 2 into 7, 14, plus here this 3 and 12 can be cancelled 4 times. 4 into 7, 28. Okay. Now 14 plus 28 gives 42. Now we can cancel 2 and 42, that is 21. Now 13 into 21. 13 into 21 gives 273. So this is our answer. Okay. Now question number 3. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. Find first term and sum to 12 terms. So let's start from here A12. So use the result AN. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is A12? A12 is A plus 11D. Here A12 is given and D is given. So replace. So 37 equal to A plus 33 or A is equal to 37 minus 33 gives 4. So first term is equal to 4. Now we want to find S12. So write the formula Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S12 we want to find. That is n equal to 12. So replace n. 2a plus n is 12. So 12 minus 1 into d. What is d? 3. Okay. And here what is a? A is equal to 4. So this can be written as 2 into 4. 12 by 2 is 6. 6 into 2 into 4, 8 plus 12 minus 1, 11. 11 into 3, 33. That is 6 into 8 plus 33, 41. 41 into 6 gives 246. So this is equal to S12. That is sum to 12 terms of the AP is 246. Question number 4. Given that A3 is equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, then find D and A10. So listen, A3. A3 means third term. Third term is given. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That is equal to 15. Now S10. What is Sn? Sn is n by 2 into a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n equal to 10. So this becomes S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d. Okay. Or 125 is equal to 5 into 2a plus 9d. Take this 5 to here. So this becomes 125 by 5. 125 by 5 equal to 2a plus 9d. That is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. 125 by 5 gives 25. Put it as equation number 1. Now listen, S10 is we mention and from here we deduce one of the equation and we have A3. A3 is A plus 2D. Consider this as equation number 2. So we have two equation. A plus 2D is equal to 15 and 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now simplify or solve these two equations. So here multiply 2 throughout in this equation. Second equation we get 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Put it as equation number 3. Now consider equation 3 and equation 1. Here the coefficient of a is same. So we can subtract these two equations. So we have 2a minus 2a becomes 0. 4d minus 9d minus 5d. 30 minus 25, that is 5. So D is equal to 5 by minus 5 gives minus 1. So common difference equal to minus 1. Now consider one of the equation from here and put D is equal to minus 1. So A plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 15, or A minus 2 is equal to 15, or A is equal to 15 plus 2 gives 17. Okay, so common difference is minus 1. A is equal to 17. Our aim is to find what is common difference and what is A 10. Common difference obtained, that is minus 1. Now we want to find A 10. A 10 can be written as A plus 9D. Here A is 17, D is minus 1. So 17 minus 1 gives 8. So 10th term is equal to 8. Question number 5. Given D equal to 5, S9 equal to 75. Find A and A9. Common difference and sum to 9 terms are given. We want to find first term and 9th term. So listen, write the formula for Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d is equal to 5 and n equal to 9. So S9, that is 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d. Replace S9 as 75. 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 into 5. That is 75 equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 into 5, 40. Now take this 2 to left side. So by 2 becomes into 2 equal to 9 into 2a plus 40. Now take this 9 to left side. So 9 into becomes by. So 75 into 2 by 9 equal to 2a plus 40. Okay. Here we can cancel 3. 75, that is 25 into 2 by 9 becomes 3. Cancelling 3 from here equal to 2a plus 40. 25 into 2, 50. 50 by 3 is equal to 2a plus 40. From here we can write 2a is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. Now take cross multiplication. This gives 50 minus 120 by 3, that is minus 70 by 3. So what is A? A is equal to minus 70 by 3 divided by 2, or minus 70 by 3 into 1 by 2 gives negative 35 by 3. So this find 9th term A9. A9 can be written as A plus 8D. So here A is minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D is 40. This gives minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Now take cross multiplication. It gives minus 35 plus 120 divided by 3, which is 85 by 3. So 9th term is equal to 85 by 3. Okay.